Shout out to you. So this is Mili, Bamboo Basket Reflector Working Bricks. Is that it? That's not the title. The title is Salt, Pepper Birds, and Thought Police. Oh, and the Thought Police. That's interesting. I want to hear what it has to say. Let's check it out. Auntie Angie. I'm not ignoring the chat, Auntie Angie.
Bamboo basket, reflector, working breaks. Never forget your helmet, trusty Mitzi. I'm off to the morning market. 33 items, a healthy looking chicken, and a dozen of free range eggs. Thanks, keep the change.
Oh.
I'm home.
Oh. Yo, the keyboardist, bro. The keyboardist needs to chill. The keyboardist needs to chill, bro. Chill. He is going in at the start of the song. He is playing his best piece. He's like, it's like Jeff Castellucci at the start of the song. He is singing his lowest note. Like, you have to be ready. At the beginning of the song, he is going in. Like, this is the best piece you will ever hear me play in my life. At the start, 30 seconds of the song. Like, yo, calm down, bro. Like, yo, damn, man.
Sheets out in the yard, put up my bed. King tray, thinking about you, mother, to recite her famous words. I need a salt and pepper to taste the happiness of life forever.
Nice.
Cinnamon rose and cream lemon chicken roasted in the oven.
Oh, interesting. I like this. A cream lemon chicken roasted in the oven. Men in black kick down my front door. Hey, who, what, why? You violated Act 617, illegal thoughts. You are under arrest. This is interesting. I don't know why she's mixing it up with the random cream lemon chicken. Like, she sings something random, then she says what she actually wants to say in the second line. That's interesting. You shouldn't have been born the way you are. Woo! Oh. Wow. Man, these are great singers, man. But yo, the song is beautiful, but the lyrics are horrible. You shaved on my hair. Fed me a foreign language. Nice. I love the harmonies. Interesting. Oh. Okay.
Illusion world, I saw a version of heaven where I sat in my yard, reading a paperback print of my book. On
Wow.
the hillside, your little fist clutching sweat, walking to the memorial park. You put down freshly cut white crescent moms, a former thought police, the worse are hatched children lying on the grass, saying two poems written by me.
Wow. That's interesting. That's an interesting writing, man. That's an interesting writing.